Hey guys, welcome to the video. I am going to be showing you how to set up your email marketing system, your front end and your back end, and how it all works, and give you a little bit of strategy and tips on how you can get started with your own email marketing that automates and give you sales passively. So my name is Leah, and you can find me at leahcanseco.com. Please subscribe and like this video, and you can find me on Instagram also, Leah Canseco. So first of all, what I like to do is create my opt-in page on ClickFunnels. Now, an opt-in page is where you want someone to specifically drop their email within the page. The whole sole purpose is to drop the email in the page versus a website. There's kind of a lot of things going on a website, and it's kind of hard to get someone to opt in into something when they are bombarded with so much info. So what I like to use is ClickFunnels solely for my opt-in because it does the job. Put in the address. So I'm going to show you an example of a template that we're using right now. So this is what it looks like. The whole purpose is to opt in, get the email address, and with this, when you join ClickFunnels, so when you get ClickFunnels, if you don't have ClickFunnels already, you can sign up with a free trial down below, and then once you have it all set up, you'll be able to click ClickFunnels, funnels, and then there will be a button to add new funnel. I've already done all this, so we can shorten the video a little bit. So when you get the when you click the add new, you'll be popped up with a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. I went ahead and chose the simplest template that there was, which is this one that I already showed you. Now this is going to be the front end of your funnel for your email marketing. The back end is going to be done with another software. I like to use Activecampaign for this because there's so many things you can do with Activecampaign that I've used other softwares before and I didn't like it, and Activecampaign is super easy to use. So if you don't have Activecampaign yet, I've got a link below for a free trial that you can try out. I went ahead and created a brand new Activecampaign account. So this is what it would look like once you have signed up for a new Activecampaign account. So we are going to integrate your ClickFunnels front end with a Activecampaign on the back end. So when someone opts in to your funnel, the Activecampaign back end is going to be the one that does all the email marketing for you, that sends it to the person's inbox. So the first step we want to do is to create a brand new list when we get Activecampaign. And then, so let's just call this a test. We can just use my thing, and then you are receiving this because you opted in at our website, something like that, because sometimes people forget how they are getting the email, so they ask, and this is what it would say, something in similar lines of this. And then you just click add. And then you're going to go back to your ClickFunnels. So once you've created, you added a new funnel, picked a template, all this, you're going to click edit the page. Now, once the page loads and you've done all the changes, so like ClickFunnels is really easy because you can change all this, watch the free video, something of how to double your traffic, something along the lines of a good freebie that you're going to offer. Anyway, you can change the colors on all of this. You just click the little setting buttons, and super easy to just customize the way you want your page to look. But what we're going to do, we need to head back first. Actually, let me see if I have it. Okay, so we are going to integrate your Activecampaign first. So I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to go click the little icon thing right here, and you're going to go to integrations. You're going to click add new integration. I already have Activecampaign integrated into mine. But I'm just going to show you real quick how to do this. Add integration, click Activecampaign. And then you'll be taken to this page where you put in your API key, API URL. Where you can find that is when you're at your Activecampaign account, go to settings, developer, and you'll be able to get that key to plug into here. And we're gonna go back to our page that we're editing. So how we're gonna connect your ClickFunnels funnel landing page to your email marketing Activecampaign is by clicking settings, integration, and then we're gonna go, so this is not connected yet, we're gonna go Activecampaign, select integration, add to list, and then that list that we created, we're pretending that I have my other list on here, but we created that A test list on Activecampaign, and that's what you would sync it to. And then you click save, and then your funnel would be done. So once someone goes to this page, they opt in, plug in their email, they'll be taken to a thank you page where they can download the video. At the same time, you're gonna wanna send an email from your Activecampaign that's gonna funnel them in an email sequence to give them more value. Send the video over again or whatever you're offering via email, and then you can send them as much email as you want. I'm going to show you how to automate that email right now. So what you're going to do is click automation, and then you are going to click add new automation. So from here, we are going to click start from scratch. So from here, we are going to choose subscribe to a list. Now you can do so many different things with Activecampaign, guys. This is all the things you can try and do when someone subscribes to your list. You can select, so we're going to do the A test list that we created, and then we're going to click add start. So now you're going to get this. There's all these conditions and workflows that you can do. We're just going to send an email. We're going to create an email test. And then from here, we're going to be taken to this thing. Now, a lot of email marketers just like to choose a simple plain text email compared to something like these designs. You'll notice more and more digital marketers sending just plain text. It looks like it's a personal email versus something like this where it's like, it looks like it's from a company, and something that's designed sometimes gets ruined based on the person's email server. So if it's on Gmail and Yahoo, it could look completely different and skewed. So that's why a lot of people just like to send a regular email. Plus it looks more personalized. So we're just going to build from scratch. Let's do custom HTML. And then we're going to do test, continue. You know what, we're going to go back and do regular text. I'm going to create a new email, test, create. And we are just going to this one, use this template. I use this one on mine. And then from here, you can say, thank you for subscribing. Here's your video, or whatever you want to do. You can go edit, change this photo, add your info here. And once you are done with that, you're going to click next. You're going to, okay, that was supposed to be, okay, so a mailing address. I'm just trying to figure out what this says. Usually you will want to have a digital email presence, so address. So usually people use a PO box. You can go to your post office and get a PO box, or there's also ones that you can just purchase online to do it. And anyway, once you're on this page, you are gonna wanna desktop preview or email preview, or send a test to yourself so you can see if the links are good, clickable, goes to the correct page, or whatever that you're wanting it to do. And once that's all done, you can click save and exit. And then the next day you want to do a connections and workflow. You're going to click wait. You're going to add another day. You can send out another email, create another email. So send out another email. Okay, and then you're going to create another email. We're just going to do the same thing. And then once that's all done, I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to click next, and then go through the whole process of checking up your email to see if it's good. Once this is all done, the email sequence that you've done, you can do like 5 days. You can activate once you save it for whatever name you want to save it, and then you want to click activate, and now your email is activated. So every time someone is now going to your opt-in page, plugging in their email, they're now going to get the sequence of email that is coming in, and you can build up to 5. Let's say I already built up 5 emails from this automation. What I would do next is subscribe this person to another list. So I would create another list. Say it could be a whole sequence of passive automated emails that I'm trying to sell something. I personally am building up something that is going to be automation for about a year's worth. And then that email would go to them, automate, keep automating, and then I would plug them into, once that email sequence is done, I jump them into another list where it could be my general newsletter list where I update them on what I'm doing, new content. Luna, sorry, here's Luna. Yeah, and that's basically it for this. Once that's all done, you can use your ClickFunnels. So this is all saved. We've already saved this. The email URL would be, not the email URL, the URL for your landing page would be up here. Now you can change that stuff if you just go to settings. And that's basically it, you guys. You have your whole email marketing set up for you. You got your front end, your back end, and then with the whole email sequences, write up your email sequences. Once that sequence is done for that specific freebie that you're doing, jump them up to another email list. So you would create another email list, create another automation for that list for as long as you want, and then you can jump them up again into a general newsletter list. Or you could cut out the middle part. You could just jump them automatically to a general newsletter list, but I like to do the 3-step system. So they go through a whole sequence funnel, and then once they're gone through all that, then they can just get updated with what I'm doing. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials and giving some business and marketing tips, and that's basically it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Have a good one.